Hi everyone, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to adjust the column and row width without using mouse. First we shall see the column width. Normally we double click this one to adjust entire column width. To adjust the single cell column width, press Alt O C A. It will adjust that cell width. It will not adjust entire column width. See this? Place the cursor here and repeat the same shortcut. It will adjust the cell width only. To adjust entire column, first select the entire column by pressing Ctrl plus spacebar, then repeat the same shortcut. Then we go for row width adjustment. Normally we double click this to adjust row width. The shortcut is Alt O R A. You can also adjust entire row by selecting entire row, Shift plus spacebar, then repeat the same shortcut.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn more.